Sometimes we want to take a glossary that's been created in Excel and put it into Moodle. And the route we have to go through to do that is we have to take the Excel file, or the data in the Excel file, put it into XML, which is another way of describing that data, and then import that into the Moodle Glossary. So I've got a glossary here that is a very simple one. It's got the concept on the first column and then the definition in the right hand column. So what I'm going to do is highlight all of those and copy them, and then someone very kindly has created a Moodle Glossary XML converter. So this is at eaglesvn or eaglesvn.com/xml.html, and all we have to do, none of your data will get uploaded to them. This is all done in the browser, so you'll find we paste what I've just copied from Excel. It looks ugly, but the page will understand it and knows to look for the tabs between concepts and definitions and how to separate them out. And then we check the settings. Now I'm having it set so that we automatically link the glossary entries, so that when we put them in Moodle, if that concept appears somewhere else on the site, then it will become automatically linked. And I'm going to make sure it only matches whole words. The notes on this page are quite helpful. Then I'm going to press the Convert to XML button, and there it is. Now what we need to do next is save that into a file. So I'm going to copy it, and in fact I've already done it, but I will show you how I do it here. I'm pasting it into a notepad type editor. You can use any notepad editor, Notepad++ or the notepad that comes in Windows, or text edit that's on a Mac, whatever you like to use. I'm just going to save that file, and then I'm going back to our Moodle site, and this is the glossary. It's already got a few entries in, and I go to the cog and import entries, and then I've got to go and find my file, choose a file, upload a file, and I'm going to have it imported into the current glossary. There aren't any categories in this glossary file, and then that's done. I've got 24 imported entries, and they are all sitting in there very nicely now.